guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack your mom. I'll be using Beef to get my mom's exact location. But mom, what the fuck are you doing in Brazil? Let's see what's up. What the f— I would also steal her Amazon passwords to buy an unlimited amount of Lego and set her an alert to make me a sandwich. Okay, so let's review the plan. First of all, install Beef on the Kali Linux machine. Go to your root terminal and type apt install beef xss. Wait for the installation to complete and go to your navigator. Type beef start and run the program. Wait a bit and the application will open in your web browser automatically. Now Beef runs successfully on our machine. Our second step is to bait your mom with this link. First of all, open the link in a new browser and change the address to your Kali IP address. Now we'll make the link look more trustworthy and send it to her through any media like Facebook or WhatsApp. Or even mail, you fucking boomer. Copy the link and shorten it with www.shorturl.at or any other link transformer. Send it to your mom and wait for her to click the link. And voila, we have access to her phone. We can see we have a machine added in Beef. For this demo, I also have the POV of the victim records, so you guys get to see how your victim interacts with the software. The victim, or in this case, my mom, gets to see a website where she can buy Beef. Now it's time to buy my Lego and order a sandwich. Get her passwords and alert her phone. Click on the device and from here we can see the device specification.
Boring!
Now with the tabs, go to Commands. This is where we'll execute the attacks. First of all, let's track her location. Go to Host and navigate to Geolocation Third Party. Select the first API and press Execute. Wait a moment and here we see our results. Copy the lat and lon variables and paste them in Google Maps. Here we can see the location of your victim. Now let's try and steal her passwords. Assuming your mom uses the same password for all websites, which from research shows that 69% of moms do that. Okay, no, I made it up. I just wanted to sound professional. But let's just assume she does use the same passwords. Now go to the Social Engineering tab and go to Pretty Theft. From here choose one of the tablets, in this case Facebook, and execute the command. Here a login section pops up, where she can enter her credentials. When successfully entered you can see her password. Now let's notify my mom to bring me a sandwich. Go to the Browser tab and go to Create Alert dialog. Now ask for your sandwich and execute the command. My mom will get a notification on her phone and now I'm going to eat my sandwich. Thank you guys so much for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.